Life in Italy was beautiful and relaxed before the deadly virus attacked the Romans' land. People were working, partying, and doing their normal work as usual without having any idea that what's going to be happen in next few weeks. COVID-19 was first confirmed to have spread to Italy on 31st January 2020 when two Chinese tourists in Rome tested positive for the virus. 1 week later, an Italian man repatriated back to Italy from the city of Wuhan, China, was hospitalized and confirmed as the third case in Italy. A cluster of cases was later detected, starting with 16 confirmed cases in Lombardy on 21st February and 60 additional cases and first death on 22nd February. By the beginning of March, the virus had spread to all regions of Italy. Italy has the second highest old population in the world and the oldest population in Europe. 22.75% of Italy's population is 65 years or above. This population is known to be more susceptible to severe complications from COVID-19. Reason 2. The virus may have gone undetected. The first person to test positive in Italy is confirmed on 31st January. Experts now believe that the virus may have been spreading from second half of January. Reason 3. Self-isolation measures not taken seriously. When school was shut, some families were traveling to other regions without having any idea that they have already been infected with the virus. Reason 4. Italy's warm outdoor culture. Italians are sociable people and loves the outdoor, and there is higher physical contact by way of greeting. The main hospital in Bergamo, Italy is struggling to cope up with the influx of patients pouring in through its door. It's in the area in Italy hardest hit by the new coronavirus. The intensive care unit is at capacity and doctors are stretched. Patients gasping for air keep coming into the hospital and are having to be placed on bed in waiting room. Because of the limited beds available in hospitals, doctor has to make a choice which patient should be treated first. Around 100 coffins were stacked in a crematorium of the northern Italian city of Piacenza on Monday, as it became overwhelmed due to increasing death toll from the coronavirus outbreak.
If the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak in Europe is in Lombardy province in northern Italy, then the absolute center of this epidemic is here in the town of Bergamo. More people have died here than anywhere else, and they still are every day. The virus storm swept through these beautiful ancient streets. This medieval town and its modern city is utterly locked down. Only a few venture out. Everyone knows someone who has died or is ill, and everyone is scared.
Purtroppo sì. È doloroso non poterli salutare, è doloroso lasciarli soli e mi viene un po' di tristezza, c'è molta tristezza. Scusi.
Here they believe the only way to stop the spread of the virus is to shut everything. Only essential shops are open. It is hard, but it is, according to the experts, the only solution.
In the most hit province, in the most hit country, Italy, in Europe, and widely regarded as one of the most dangerous places in the world at the moment because the virus is so virulent here. It isn't empty, it looks it, but it isn't. It's full of people, but they are all self-isolating. They are all following the rules. Very few people come out onto the streets. And everyone we've spoken to has said that this is what the UK should look like already.
The government of Italy under Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte imposed a national quarantine and announced the initial lockdown on 21st February. But it was too late. Also, Italian people did not take government regulations seriously and were continued to move around. Public transport was not completely shut and people were not wearing masks. As a result, the virus has spread into all provinces in just few weeks and has claimed around 7,000 lives. As we have seen now how Italy is struggling against the deadly virus, now we all have to work together to stop the spread of COVID-19. Please follow the guidelines provided by your government, stay home and save the humanity. Social distancing is the only solution, so please do not repeat the mistake done by Italians. It is a great chance for all of us to show the patriotism towards our countries. And if we work together, we will definitely win this battle.